What does Spring do with the controller return value when you forget at response body or at rest controller? As in, the controller class is annotated with simple at controller annotation, just like what we do for MVC applications. The answer is the return value will be considered as a view name. Because you have annotated this class with at controller, the return value of each method will be considered only as a view name. If that particular view page is not available, obviously it will throw an exception. What design pattern does Spring use to manage bean creation and wiring? That is bean creation and injection. So what is the design pattern? This is not about talking about the singleton design pattern. That is about the scope. Here what I am asking is creating a bean and injecting the bean to the proper classes. It is dependency injection. Most of you would have got it right. Few of you would have written it as singleton. Singleton is just for that Spring bean. One bean is created by the IOC container, that is singleton by nature. But for creation and injecting the beans to the appropriate classes is called as dependency injection. What does at Spring Boot application actually contain? That is, what are the annotations that are available in at Spring Boot application? This annotation is a combination of at component scan, at configuration, at enable auto configuration. Next question. How do you ensure a collection is loaded immediately with its parent entity in JPA? This use case occurs when you are working with one-to-many and many-to-many annotation. As in, one student has taken a list of courses. So, while retrieving it from the database, when I am retrieving the student object, together with that, I want to get the list of courses that particular student has taken. So, how to tackle it? The answer is use fetch is equal to fetch type.eager. Fetch is an attribute. You need to add this attribute with one-to-many or with many-to-many. In both the cases, it will work fine.